Okay, student, today we will discuss about the dimension and dimensional formula. Before starting that, what do you understand by the term dimensions? So, first of all, let me discuss here dimension, dimension and dimensional formula. Dimension and dimensional formula. So, first we are to discuss here the meaning of the word dimension. What is the meaning of the dimension? Dimension is what? So you would have seen in previous class that mass is fundamental quantity, length is fundamental quantity, time is fundamental, right? Temperature and intensity of light, electric current, amount of substance, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and intensity of light, amount of substance, time, temperature, amount of substance, and electric current is also there, amount of substance, intensity of light, temperature, time, length, mass. And what is more fundamental quantity? That is angle. Angle is supplementary here, or solid angle. Mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance. The 6-7 fundamental quantities are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Sorry, amount of substance is the 7 fundamental, right? So these fundamental quantities comes in some derived quantity. An example, in 9th standard you have studied velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. So what the displacement is? An object when moved from one point to another, then this is called the displacement. Along the straight path, when the object moves up to some distance in a straight line, then distance and displacements are equal. So displacement ultimately is the length, right? So this can be represented as this is length and the one time is coming here. So representation of this quantity can be this here. So the expression which is LT minus 1 involving here LT, this is called the dimensional formula. So a formula that uses the dimensions, and what the dimension is? Fundamental quantity. Means any derived quantity when uses the fundamental quantity, then this is called the dimensional formula. So here the dimensional formula of the velocity. Similarly, acceleration can also be written here. Acceleration is what here? Velocity upon time. So you all know here the velocity dimension is what? The velocity dimension LT minus 1. This is, and its dimension is t here also. So here it will be LT minus 1 and this t will go as a numerator, LT minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of acceleration. Similarly, further dimensional formula can be written here. F is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is fundamental, acceleration is LT minus 2. So it is the dimensional formula of the force. So we have seen today what is the dimension and dimensional formula. Repeat this again. Dimensional formula, a formula that uses the dimensions of a quantity, means fundamental quantity, how many times occurring. This is represented as a power of variable, or power means how many times the variable is coming or fundamental quantity is coming. This is called the
caught in the crossfire.